Welcome. This is how to jumpstart a Mercedes Benz C-class W203. So guys, first one, locate the battery terminals on the W203. The main battery is in the trunk, but there are jumpstart terminals under the hood for convenience. Now just simply prepare the jumper cables and make sure both cars are turned off and use a quality jumper cables or a jump starter pack. Now connect the cables in order. So red clamps to the positive terminal of the dead car and the red clamp to the positive terminal of the good battery and the black clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery and the black clamp to a solid metal ground on the dead car, not the battery. Now, just simply start the donor car first. Let it run for 2 to 3 minutes. Then try starting the W203. And after that, you can just simply disconnect in reverse order by ground, negative, positive, positive. And if it doesn't start, your battery may be completely dead or the alternator is failing. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.